Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to display the letter J 5 times using for loop statement in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here sharp include IO stream for input output in C++ using namespace std int main begin starting point of our program for int a equals 1 less than or equals to 5 increment. Now we add a value, begin console out, let's say space here, letter J. Well, wait. Okay, so let us save our work for .cpp. So let us compile and run. Okay, so it displays the letter J 5 times using for loop statement. So we have here initial value of 1 in our for loop, a less than or equal to 5 increment, and then we have here console out space J. So it will display 1 2 3 4 5 5 letter J using for loop in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some questions, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.